Ever wondered what vegetables you can grow in less than a month? Well, first on our list is the radish. This vibrant veggie is a garden superstar, shooting up from the soil in a swift 3 weeks. Plant them, give them a little love and care, and you'll be rewarded with a bumper crop in no time. Their peppery flavor is a delicious addition to any dish. So, in just 3 weeks, you can enjoy the crisp and peppery goodness of homegrown radishes. Next on our list is the versatile beetroot. This vibrant vegetable can be successfully grown in a month with the right conditions. They are cool season crops and prefer well-drained, sandy soil with a good amount of organic matter. Beets are not only easy to grow but also incredibly healthy. They are a great source of fiber, folate, manganese, potassium, iron, and vitamin C. When it comes to planting, choose a sunny spot and sow the seeds about 1 inch deep and a couple of inches apart. Keep the soil moist but not waterlogged. Beetroot is a bit like Goldilocks. It doesn't like it too hot or too cold. The perfect temperature for their growth is between 50 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit. Harvesting beets when they're young ensures a sweet and tender crop. You can start pulling them up when they're about the size of a golf ball. Don't forget, the leaves are edible too, and make a great addition to salads. So in just a month, you can enjoy the sweet and earthy goodness of homegrown beets. Whether you're roasting them, pickling them, or throwing them in a salad, they are a delicious and nutritious addition to any meal. Moving on, our next quick-grow vegetable is spinach. This leafy green is not only delicious, but also brimming with nutrients. Planting spinach is as simple as sprinkling the seeds in a sunny or partially shaded spot and covering them lightly with soil. Regular watering is key, but be careful not to overwater as this can lead to root rot. As for care, spinach is a pretty low-maintenance plant. It thrives in cooler temperatures, so it's perfect for those early spring or late fall gardens. And the best part? You can start harvesting as soon as the leaves are large enough to eat, usually in less than a month. Spinach is a true superfood. It's packed with vitamins A, C, and K, as well as iron and fiber. Whether you're adding it to salads, blending it into smoothies, or sautéing it for a healthy side dish, you can't go wrong with spinach. In under a month, you'll have fresh, nutrient-dense spinach ready to elevate your meals. From leafy greens, let's move on to a bountiful summer vegetable, the zucchini. Known for their high yield, zucchini plants are easy to grow and often produce a lot of vegetables. To plant zucchinis, you'll want to find a sunny spot in your garden with warm, well-drained soil. Sow the seeds directly into the ground, ensuring they get plenty of sunlight, and water them regularly. Zucchini plants love the warmth and will thrive in the summer months. When it comes to harvesting, timing is everything. Pick your zucchinis when they're young and about 6 to 8 inches long. This ensures a tender and flavorful crop. Bigger isn't always better with zucchinis as they can become tough and bland if left to grow too large. Whether you're grilling them, baking them into bread, or spiralizing them into zoodles, zucchinis are a versatile addition to your summer meals. And the best part? In just a month, you can enjoy the fresh and versatile zucchini straight from your garden. Next up, we have the salad favorite lettuce. This versatile green thrives in cool weather, making it an ideal choice for early spring or autumn planting. From crisp head and romaine to leafy varieties like oak leaf and lalo rosso, there's a type of lettuce to suit every salad lover's palate. Just sow the seeds directly into your garden or pot, cover lightly with soil, and water regularly. The best part? You'll see sprouts in as little as 7 days. And when it comes to harvesting, you have 2 options. Either pull the entire plant from the ground or simply pick the outer leaves as needed, allowing the center to continue growing. It's incredibly satisfying to see your salad bowl filled with homegrown lettuce in just a few weeks. Moving on, we have the crunchy cucumber. This summer favorite is not only refreshing, but also incredibly easy to grow. With just a month of care, you can have your own homegrown cucumbers ready to be enjoyed. Just like their fellow garden companions, cucumbers thrive in warm, well-drained soil and plenty of sunlight. Once planted, make sure to water them regularly, particularly when the fruits start to form. Now, when it comes to harvesting, timing is key. To ensure a crisp and refreshing crop, pick your cucumbers when they're still young and tender. This also encourages more fruit to grow, maximizing your yield. In just a month, you can enjoy the satisfaction of biting into a crisp, homegrown cucumber right from your garden. Now, isn't that refreshing? Now let's talk about a kitchen essential, green onions. These slender delights are a breeze to grow and offer a ton of flavor. Start by planting them in well-drained soil, and and within days you'll see their verdant shoots pushing through. They love sunlight, so keep them in a sunny spot and water regularly. As for harvesting, you'll be in for a treat. Green onions grow at a rapid pace, and within a month, you'll be able to snip off what you need. Their mild onion flavor is versatile in the kitchen. Use them to add a fresh twist to your dishes, garnish your meals, or incorporate them into your favorite recipes. Moving forward, let's dive into another quick-grow vegetable, the arugula. This is a type of leafy green that's not only easy to grow, but also adds a punch of color and flavor to your garden and your meals. Start with well-drained soil, and remember, arugula prefers cool conditions, so a shaded spot in your garden would be ideal. Plant the seeds directly into the soil, and with consistent watering and care, you'll see the vibrant green leaves sprouting in no time. One of the unique aspects of arugula is its flavor profile. Harvesting arugula when it's young ensures a peppery and slightly tart crop, perfect for adding a kick to your salads or a zesty twist to your grilled dishes. And the best part, in just a month you can enjoy the peppery and slightly tart arugula from your garden. It's a fantastic addition to your quick-grow repertoire, and a testament to the fact that good things indeed come to those who wait, albeit not very long in this case. Next, we have baby carrots. These charming little roots are a joy to cultivate and even more delightful to consume. Planting is simple. Just sow the seeds directly into the soil, and with a little care, they'll begin to sprout in no time. Don't forget to keep them well watered, and soon you'll have a crop of crunchy baby carrots in roughly 30 days. Their versatility in the kitchen is a bonus. From raw snacks to roasted sides, their sweet, earthy flavor complements any dish. These miniature delights are ready to be plucked from the soil in about 30 days. Moving on from the delightful baby carrots, we delve into the world of turnips. This root vegetable, often overlooked, can be your garden's star in just a month. Thriving best in cool conditions, turnips prefer a well-drained soil, so make sure to plant them where they won't be waterlogged. The key to the sweetest and most tender turnips is in the timing. Harvest them when they're young, and you'll be rewarded with a crop that's both flavorful and nutritious. They're perfect for roasting, boiling, or even eating raw in salads, making them a versatile addition to your quick-growing vegetable repertoire. And there you have it, a comprehensive overview of the 10 vegetables you can grow in less than a month. We've ventured through the peppery crunch of radishes, the earthy sweetness of beetroot, nutrient-rich spinach, versatile lettuces, the refreshing crunch of cucumbers, essential green onions, peppery arugula, sweet delight of baby carrots, the robust flavor of zucchini, and the sharp tang of turnips. These vegetables are not only easy to grow, but also incredibly rewarding to harvest. So why not give them all a try? Experiment with this variety of diverse and speedy vegetables, and relish in the fresh, homegrown goodness they bring to your table. Until next time, happy gardening!